You need extra cash, but you don't know where to start. Well, you know what? I totally get that. And finding a legit side hustle that actually works and actually isn't a scam can sometimes feel impossible. But today I'm going to break it all down for you. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or just someone looking for an extra income, I've got 3 of the easiest online side hustles that you can actually start right now, even if you have 0 experience. And the best part is that these aren't just ideas. I'm actually going to walk you through exactly how to get started and land your first paying client. So if you're ready to start making money from home in 2025, let's dive in. So first up is my personal favorite, and it's becoming a virtual assistant. Now, if you can type an email, which I'm assuming you've sent emails before, right? If you can manage a calendar, which you've managed your own calendar for years, or if you have posted on social media, which I'm assuming that you have because you're here, you can start making money online as a virtual assistant, okay? Because businesses everywhere, they actually need help with small but important tasks, okay? And they're actually willing to pay for it. Because you know what? These business owners, they start those businesses and, they think they're doing great in the beginning, and then they find out that, oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. I need help with this stuff, okay? So here is why this is such a great side hustle. So first of all, you don't need a degree and you don't need a certification, okay? None of that is required. The second reason is because you can actually work part-time or full-time or even as a weekend gig. You actually set your own hours and you also set your own rates. So how do you get started as a virtual assistant? Well, the first thing that you do is just make a very simple list of what services that you can offer. For example, email management, scheduling, social media. And number 2 is to set up a free profile on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, or make sure that your profile on your social media is polished. And number 3 is just simply to start telling people in your network that you are open for business, because you got to get the word out, okay? So if you want to get started super fast, I want you to check out Virtual Assistant 5-day Fast Track Workshop, where I walk you through everything that you need step by step. There's 5 modules. It's been set up to get you launched in 5 days with a virtual assistant business. Now you can binge watch the modules so you can get up set up faster than that. But check that out, okay? The link is going to be in the description. So strategy number 2 is selling digital products. So if you love creating things, selling digital products might be your perfect side hustle, because the beauty of this is that you create something only one time and then you sell it over and over again without having to keep any inventory. All right. And here are some popular digital products that you can sell. There's Canva templates. There's printable planners and journals, right? When's the last time that you purchased a printable planner or journal? What about digital guides or mini courses? I've bought mini courses in the last couple weeks because I'm always learning and I'm always growing. So I love the mini courses myself. Now, you do not need to be an expert to start, okay? So just think about what do people actually need help with, right? So you do not need to be an expert to start. All you have to do is just think about what people actually need help with. For example, can you create an Instagram template pack? How about a simple budget planner? Things of that nature. Now, people are already buying these products every single day. I mean, look online. There's the TikTok shop. There's Shopify. There is Etsy, okay? People are already buying these products. All right. So now I just mentioned this, but I'm going to tell you where you can find places to sell your products, okay? Etsy is great for printables and templates. And you know what? There's also Shopify if you're going to have physical products. And there's Stand Store, which you can put your digital products on, okay? Now, I use Social Connector, and that's an all-in-one tool, so I don't need any of those. I don't need Etsy. I don't need Shopify. I do not need a Stand Store, okay? That includes everything in my monthly fee. It's a low monthly fee. So, all right. So if you need help setting up a simple sales funnel for your digital product, just know that I offer one-on-one sessions. So check the link in the description for that, because I can guide you through that, all right? And strategy number 3 is social media management. Look, do you love scrolling on Instagram or Pinterest? A lot of us do, right? But instead of doom scrolling and just kind of like you're soaking things in, why not use it to your advantage and get paid for it, right? Now, businesses know that they definitely need social media, okay? Because they need to get the word out about their businesses as well, right? But most of them do not have time to do it themselves, I'm telling you. And that is where social media managers come in. So these are some of the things that you would do as a social media manager. The first thing is you would create posts and schedule content, okay? Are you posting on social media? It's basically the same thing, except you're posting for someone else. The second thing you would do is you would engage with their followers and respond to all the comments, okay? And then number 3 is just to help those businesses grow their accounts, right? More followers, more engagement, all right? So how do you get your first clients? Well, here's a couple ideas for you, okay? So the first one is to offer some kind of free trial to small businesses just so that you can gain that experience, okay? Because it's great to start small and start simple. Number 2 is to post your services in Facebook groups, okay? Because there's tons of business owners that are in various Facebook groups in their industries, and they're looking for help. And you can just go right into the groups and engage and let people know what you're offering, okay? Because you never know what business owners are in there. And number 3 is just to set up a simple portfolio. Now you can either do this you don't need a website, okay? You can just do that on your social media, or you can even use Canva, okay? Because Canva, you can go in and you can create a portfolio, and then you can create a public link that you can share in your social media profiles, okay? But you need a place where people can find you, right? Do me a favor and drop the word social in the comments if you're interested in me creating a full video on how to land your first client as a social media manager, okay? All right, let's recap the 3 easiest online side hustles that you can actually start today. So the first one is virtual assistants, and this is where we help businesses with admin and online tasks. Number 2 is selling digital products, and you can actually earn passive income from downloads. You know what? And you can earn income while you're sleeping. That sounds great to me. And then there is social media management, where you help businesses grow their audience. So which one are you most excited to try? All right, let me know in the comments. And if you're really serious about launching your own virtual assistant business, then I really urge you to check out my 5-day virtual assistant fast track workshop. And again, the link is in the description. So if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe so that you never miss my latest side hustle tips. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.